In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Calendly with Framer in less than 5 minutes. We're going to take a booking page you already have in Calendly and embed it directly into a Framer site so visitors can schedule time without leaving your page. The flow is simple. Grab the inline embed code from Calendly, drop it into an HTML embed in Framer, adjust the frame, and publish. Start by heading to calendly.com and logging in. Click Login, enter your email, continue, then sign in with your password. Once you're in, you'll land on your Calendly home where your event types are listed. Pick the event type you want people to book from your site. Think of it as the exact meeting you want to showcase, like a 30-minute intro call. With that event selected, click Share. From the sharing options, choose Add to Website. Calendly offers a few embed styles. For this tutorial, select Inline Embed so the scheduler appears directly within your page layout. Click Continue. You'll see a preview and a snippet of code generated for you. If you see styling options, you can keep the defaults or tweak them to match your brand. When you're ready, click Copy Code to place that snippet on your clipboard. Now switch over to Framer and open your project. Click the plus icon to open the Insert menu, search for Embed, and select Embed. This adds an embed layer to your canvas. With that layer selected, look to the left side menu, scroll down to the embed settings, and choose HTML as the content type. Click into the code field, paste the Calendly snippet you copied, and hit enter to apply it. You should now see the Calendly scheduler appear right inside your design. Drag and position the embed where you want it on the page and resize the frame so it's tall enough for the full booking interface to display without awkward scrolling. If it looks clipped, increase the height until the entire widget is visible and easy to use. Framer's alignment and spacing tools can help you keep everything clean and consistent with the rest of your layout. When you're happy with the placement and sizing, click Publish. This pushes your changes live so visitors can book directly from your site. After publishing, give the page a quick check in a new browser tab to confirm the scheduler loads and that the interaction feels smooth on both desktop and mobile. And that's it. Your Calendly is now fully integrated with Framer in just a few minutes.